Number 8, a certain product costs a company $65 to make. The product is sold by a salesperson who earns a commission that is equal to 20% of the sales price of the product. The profit the company makes for each unit is equal to the sales price minus the combined cost of making the product and the commission. If the sales price of the product is 100, which of the following equations gives the number of units U of the product the company sold to make a profit of $6,840? So we're going to set equals $6,840. And a certain product costs the company $65 to make, blah, blah, blah. Product is sold by a salesperson who has a commission in 20% of the sales price. And we see the sales price of the product is 100 right here. So 100 times 0.2, right? And then it's given that the profit the company makes for each product, for each unit, is equal to the sales price. So 100 minus the combined cost of making the product. So this would be the combined cost of making the product and the commission. So this is the commission, and the cost of making the product is $65. So plus 65, right? We could do this here. And then this is going to be U, right? So this is our value, but we can just plug in x1 here because, I mean, you know this equation's right. So sometimes they like to do equations very differently, which is kind of hard to follow. We're going to go through each one and see if they're correct. So we have 100, which is the sales price of the product, multiplied by 0.2 or $20 minus 65 times the amount of units. So it would be, 100 minus 0.2, which is going to be 80% of 100, which is 80. So we know that 100 take away 20. We have our 100 value here, and it essentially would take away 20 by timesing it by 0.8 or 80%, and then it takes away 65. So here we added 65 just because this value is the negative value, right? But if this value was just some value and this value was negative, this would work just the same. We would have this, we'd have 100 times 1 minus 0.02, or 0.2, minus 65. And we'd have the same number. So equation A matches up with the scenario given.